Hey guys, Brad here for Maintenance Minute on Nelson Ridge Farm. Hey, I've pledged to kind of clean up and take care of, give a good service to all of my small engines. I'm going to start with the Husqvarna 545 Pro Auto Tune. I got a little kit here. I'm just going to blow it out, clean it up, put some new spark plug, new air filter, new fuel filter. Chain looks pretty sharp, but I'll take the bar off, clean the bar off, and make sure it's spread out. Quick video. Covers off real quick. The top cover off. Okay, air filter. Looks good. I'm gonna change it. All right, side by side. There's the old. There's the new. Looks kind of rich. My super coat hanger tool here. All right, once all down quick, I just used a little Husqvarna maintenance kit and changed out the air filter, spark plug, and the fuel filter. Chain was still sharp, and I cleaned off the bar and kind of sprayed it off a little bit. Thank y'all for watching.